Hi everyone, it's Dr. Max, and as always at Hair by Dr. Max Restoration Center. And I have one of my favorite patients, Daniel, who had his 2 procedures already. And his first procedure was a little bit over 1 year ago. Here's his result, as you can see. And by now, we see pretty much the final result. What you can notice here is his hairline looks completely natural. So it has all the attributes of the natural hairline. It's slightly asymmetric. It has irregularity. We have a see-through in the front, which we'd like to see. You will never guess you had a hair transplant. This is always the case.
Yes, it looks like my younger hair. Everything remains. My hair is wavy again. My cowlicks are in the same place. My flow is the same. It's almost like you reset my hair 10, 15 years, but it's my hair.
If you watch my videos, I use this big power neurosurgical microscope, the same microscope that's been used in brain surgery. Why do I need so much detail to see? Because I can actually trace the vellus hair, the tiny remnants of Daniel's hairline that he used to have 20 years ago. And I was able to basically follow the same direction of his original hair that no longer exists and recreate the exact hairline like he used to have before. The idea is always when the surgeon is hands-on, there's less chance of something unwanted to be happening. You see, we live in a world right now in hair restoration, you're probably aware, where 99% of the practices will delegate surgeries to technicians. How important to you was that I stayed with you the entire time and I did every graft myself?
I did what research I could because it's worth doing the research. You were talking about a depletable resource, your donor hair, and I knew I came to the right place, but now I think I've really proved it. My life has changed. I really had a hard time with it, and now I feel so much better.
So how happy you are with your results?
I'm extremely happy. The most impressive thing is in the beginning, when you took my scans and you showed me on AI what the results might be. The day I was looking in the mirror and I'm like, I look just like the AI picture.
All right.
Exactly what you said would happen, happened. And when I first saw the AI, I thought, there's no way I'm going to look like that. But yeah, exactly as he said, is what it is.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing your experience. It's very reassuring that what we do here is the right way of doing it.
Just all for you, Doc. Thank you.